Let's make Pusser's Rum's Hot Toddy. We are going to make this drink in the glass. In this case, a mug. And yes, it has a J on there for Jer. It is a Christmas gift, leave me alone. I'm going to start by putting 1 cinema stick in that mug. Then I'm going to put 1 lemon rind. It actually says half of a lemon rind. Lemons are pretty big, so I don't think they mean the whole lemon, so I just did a little twist. I'm going to put that in the mug as well. Next, and this is the really exciting part, I'm going to do the exciting part in the middle. I have a zester, a microplane. Ow! No, I'm just kidding. It's got a plastic thing on it that's not coming off now. And I have real nutmeg, and these are from my good friends Amy and Jason. Thank you, Amy and Jason. I really appreciate being able to use the real stuff now, so I'm gonna try. This is gonna be my first time using it on camera. First time using it ever, so let's see how that goes. Is this how I do it? Because I need a dash of nutmeg in here. How much is a dash when you're grinding it yourself? I don't know, I think that's enough. Moving on. Now, the next 2 ingredients, they use tablespoons. I'm gonna measure them in ounces. I need 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and that's 1.5 ounces of lemon juice, which is 45 milliliters. 4 tablespoons of honey. 4 tablespoons is 2 ounces, which is 60 milliliters. I don't like working with honey directly because it's very sticky and it moves slow, so I make it into a honey syrup. The recipe for that will be down below if you want to check it out. I did say that 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. And almost finally, the rum. 3 ounces of your Pusser's Blue Label rum. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. Finally, the hot water. I'm gonna go heat some water. I'll be right back with you. Hot water at the ready. I'm gonna put in 6 to 8 ounces of water. And by putting that, I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna top it off basically. I did think about using one of my tempered glass glasses instead of a mug, but this is a lot of fluid and my tempered glass glasses are not big enough. Set this aside. Now we're gonna stir this till everything is incorporated, which shouldn't be long. Maybe that's incorporated. And that's it. I think the garnish is already there. Maybe you could use the nutmeg as a garnish on top instead of mixing it in, but it does say mix it in on the recipe, so that's what we did. And there you have it, the Pusser's Rum Hot Toddy. Drink with good spirits.